Did you know that the closest star to Earth, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light-years away? That's over 25 trillion miles. Stars are born in nebulae, massive clouds of gas and dust, where gravity pulls material together until nuclear fusion ignites in their cores. This process releases an incredible amount of energy, causing them to shine brightly for millions to billions of years. As they age, stars go through dramatic transformations. Our Sun, for instance, will eventually expand into a red giant before shading its outer layers and leaving behind a dense core known as a white dwarf. Some massive stars end their lives in spectacular supernova explosions, creating neutron stars or black holes. Every star you see is a unique story of creation, evolution, and sometimes destruction. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember that each twinkling light is a distant sun, with its own journey and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Stars are luminous celestial bodies made predominantly of hydrogen and helium, held together by gravity and fueled by nuclear fusion at their cores. These astronomical objects serve as the fundamental building blocks of galaxies and play a vital role in shaping the universe. From their birth in nebulae to their eventual demise as white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes, stars undergo fascinating life cycles that reveal much about the cosmos. Stars are born within nebulae, massive clouds of gas and dust. Gravity pulls the material together, forming a protostar. When the core temperature rises to about 10 million Kelvin, nuclear fusion ignites, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing enormous energy. This marks the birth of a star. The star's mass determines its life cycle. Low-mass stars, like the Sun, these stars have long lifespans, ranging from billions to trillions of years. After exhausting their hydrogen fuel, they expand into red giants before shading their outer layers to form planetary nebulae, leaving behind a white dwarf. High-mass stars, these have shorter lifespans, often only a few million years. They evolve into supergiants and may end their lives in spectacular supernova explosions, leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. Stars primarily consist of hydrogen, around 74%, and helium, 24%, with trace amounts of heavier elements. Their structure includes core, the site of nuclear fusion, where temperatures can exceed 15 million Kelvin. Radiative zone, energy moves outward via radiation. Convective zone, energy is transported by convection currents. Photosphere, the visible surface, where light is emitted. Chromosphere and corona, outer layers emitting ultraviolet and X-ray radiation. Stars are classified based on their temperature, luminosity, and spectral characteristics. O-type, blue, very hot, and massive. B-type and A-type, blue to white, slightly cooler and less massive than O-types. F-type and G-type, yellow-white, including stars like the Sun. K-type and M-type, orange to red, cooler and less massive. Stars are crucial for the synthesis of elements through nuclear fusion. Heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron are forged in stellar cores and dispersed into space during supernovae, enriching interstellar matter and enabling the formation of planets and life. Stars also provide energy and light, influencing planetary climates and ecosystems. Their gravitational pull governs the dynamics of galaxies and planetary systems. Astronomers study stars using telescopes that capture different wavelengths of light, from visible to radio waves. Spectroscopy reveals their composition, temperature, and motion. Modern tools like the James Webb Space Telescope allow for detailed studies of distant stars and their surroundings. Stars are more than mere points of light in the night sky. They are dynamic, complex entities central to the universe's structure and evolution. Understanding stars not only unveils the mysteries of the cosmos but also deepens our knowledge of our own origins, as every atom in our bodies was once forged in the heart of a star.